give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. In all honesty, I wasn't planning on coming back. I thought I was done with YouTube, but apparently YouTube wasn't done with me. So here I am bringing you guys a cleaning video. I do want to apologize for the lighting in some of the clips. I am working with a new camera, so I still have to play around with it. So I apologize for that. As you can see, I pretty much just jumped right into the video. This is what my living room looks like every morning. It's very lived in. So I'm just getting everything put away and back in its place. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the living room. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the kitchen. I have learned to live with all of the baby stuff that's on my living room floor. It's just, when you have babies, it's just something you have to get used to. So let's go ahead and move on to this little mini haul that I have going on here. I went to 2 stores. I wasn't planning on going to 2 different stores, but that's what happened. So I went to Target because I wanted to get these berry bins. I only purchased one because I wanted to see how I liked it, and they come with the lid here. I also got a bin for the sodas and things like that, and they both come with lids, so you can kind of like stack them if you need to. I thought that was pretty cool. I got this vase here, which I might return, but I haven't made up my mind just yet. But anyhow, I also purchased the stem here from Target. It's from the Threshold brand. It's $5. I thought it would be a really nice way to transition into summer, even though I'm not decorating for summer this year, but I don't know, I just liked it. I got some vitamin D and some heavy cream. I always have to have heavy cream. I use it as creamer for my coffee, and I also use it for cooking. Sorry, I have my son here. And I also bought my favorite creamer along with some snacks here for myself and the kids. I got some butter as well. I'm not really going in order. Some of this stuff is from Target. Some of it is from like the grocery store. These containers are actually from Target. I got these because they were on sale for one, and also because I wanted to replace some of the containers I have going on over here. I know, don't judge me. It looks like a hot mess over here, but I got the containers because of this container here. I have a couple of them with this like silver top thing, and as you can see, most of my containers have like that white top on that, and I don't know, it was driving me crazy to see them all mismatching, and that's why I got it. That's the only reason. Anyhow, I also purchased some formula. I was actually looking for the Target brand. That's the one that I normally get, but they didn't have it, so I had to spend $40 on this one. And I also got some creamer. That's from the grocery store. They didn't have the other creamer, and since I wasn't expecting to go to Target, I just grabbed it because I needed creamer. I also got these chicken strips because I'm lazy, and these hash brown patties that I like to make for breakfast. It's just a way to make like easy breakfast. And for all of my mamas out there, if you guys have not heard about these, you guys need them in your life. These are like teeny tiny drumsticks. They're perfect for toddlers. I discovered these like 2 months ago, and I've been buying them ever since. My daughter never finishes a full ice cream. She either leaves it or drops it, and to me it's just a waste. So I don't know, I thought they were perfect. But anyhow, I'm just going to go ahead and put everything away and then start cleaning the rest of my kitchen.
What you wanna do, I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
So I quickly wanted to show you guys the containers. They're pretty good size. This is actually the largest size. I just use them to put some almonds, walnuts, and some cookies. I don't know if I'm going to keep the cookies there, but for now I'll just leave it as is. But I do like them. The only thing I wasn't crazy about was the lids. I thought you were able to just kind of like pop them off, but they're twist off. So if you don't mind that, I think they're a great buy.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I just quickly wanted to jump on here just to say thank you to everyone who has stayed subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate that support, especially since I hadn't been on here in such a long time. Before I came back, I wanted to make sure that YouTube was going to be something that I wanted to continue to pursue. I didn't want to come on here and then stop again. As most of you guys know, there's a lot going on in my life right now. So I really had to think about what I wanted to do with YouTube and if I wanted to continue with it or not. But I will say that I decided to come back to YouTube on my own terms. I was stressing myself out because I wasn't posting every week. So there will be times where I don't post a week here or there, but just know it's because I have a lot going on, you know, doctor's appointments and things like that. But I will always come back. I wanted YouTube to continue to be fun for me. I didn't want it to be stressful. So that's the reason why I kind of just stayed away from it, because it was starting to feel like a job. But anyhow, we are starting to get to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. That would really help out my channel. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.